Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G21 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen. And basically all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings. So let's tap on it and tap on the languages. And here, as you can see, we've got only one language added, so we've got English. Let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so impressive. We've got a lot of languages, so I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. So let me pick something I would say graphical in order to show you the actual difference. So as you can see, let me pick Arabic. Sometimes after tapping on it, after tapping on the language, you will be also able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to use. Right here you've got some keyboard options, keyboard types. Of course you can add like 2 or 3, sometimes you will have four different options. I will stick with the first one, just tap on done. As you can see, the Arabic has been applied immediately, so now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So currently I'm freely speaking English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Tap on it again and English. So basically that's how to add the language. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So we have to enter the settings. And a quick disclaimer, because I forgot to say about that at the very beginning of this video. If for some reason you cannot find the settings here, no worries, 3 dots icon, tap on OK, and here you will find the settings. So let's enter them, tap on the languages, and here from this step all you have to do is to simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you'd like to remove, and tap on remove. As you can see, we've got only English left, so we can go back. And as you can see, the keyboard just got back to its very first state, let's say. So the spacebar is empty currently, and next to it we cannot find the globe icon, which simply means that we can type only in English. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Nokia G21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.